Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your trusted information source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating topic, the B vitamin that helps to prevent carb storage, the role of vitamin B1 in preventing fat accumulation. This could revolutionize the way you approach your meals. Taking B1 before consuming carbohydrates can help with your weight loss journey. Understanding the physiology behind fat storage and the specific benefits of vitamin B1 can empower you to make informed choices for your health. So come on and join us as we dive in and explore why this B vitamin is a game changer in the fight against unwanted fat storage. Physiology of fat storage. Before we discuss vitamin B1, let's first understand how fat storage works in the body. When you consume carbohydrates, your body breaks them down into glucose, which is used as fuel for energy. However, your body doesn't like to send energy to waste, so excess glucose is converted into fat and stored for any emergency in the future, leading to weight gain over time. Vitamin B1 thiamine. Enter vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, a crucial nutrient involved in various metabolic processes in the body. Thiamine plays a key role in converting carbohydrates into energy, making it essential for proper carbohydrate metabolism and utilization. Vitamin B1 physiological effects. Thiamine exerts its effects through its involvement in the production of ATP, the body's primary source of energy. By enhancing ATP production, thiamine helps optimize cellular metabolism and prevent the excess accumulation of glucose that can lead to fat storage. How does vitamin B1 helps with preventing fat storage? So how exactly does vitamin B1 help prevent fat storage before consuming carbohydrates? By ensuring efficient carbohydrate metabolism, thiamine helps your body utilize glucose more effectively for energy production, reducing the need to convert excess glucose into fat for storage. This not only supports weight management, but also promotes overall metabolic health. Daily B1 intake. The recommended daily intake of vitamin B1 varies depending on age, gender, and individual health status. On average, adults should aim for around 1.2 milligrams of thiamine per day, with higher amounts recommended for pregnant and breastfeeding women. Foods with high concentration of B1. Fortunately, vitamin B1 is readily available in a variety of foods, making it easy to meet your daily needs through diet alone. Excellent sources of thiamine include legumes, nuts, seeds, and high-quality lean cuts of meats. Incorporating these foods into your meals can help ensure you're getting an adequate intake of this essential nutrient. B1 supplementation. In some cases, supplementation may be necessary to meet your thiamine needs, especially for individuals with certain medical conditions or dietary restrictions. High-quality B1 supplements are available in various forms, including capsules, tablets, and liquid formulations, making it convenient to incorporate into your daily routine. Other vitamin B1 effects on health. Beyond its role in preventing fat storage, vitamin B1 offers numerous other health benefits. Thiamine plays several vital roles in the body, and its deficiency can have significant effects. Ensuring an adequate intake of vitamin B1 is crucial for overall well-being and vitality. Thiamine offers numerous health benefits. Besides playing a crucial role in overall metabolism, cellular function, and energy production, here are some of the key advantages of vitamin B1. Nervous system function. B1 is vital for maintaining a healthy nervous system, supporting nerve cell communication and function. Brain health. Thiamine is involved in neurotransmitter synthesis, which helps support cognitive function, memory, and overall brain health. Heart health. B1 contributes to cardiovascular health by supporting proper heart function and helping to regulate blood pressure. Gastrointestinal health. Thiamine aids in the production of hydrochloric acid in the stomach, facilitating the digestion of food and nutrient absorption. It also helps to alleviate symptoms of conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, also known as IBS. Stress management. B1 is known to play a role in the body's stress response and may help reduce the negative effects of stress on the body. Muscle function. Thiamine is essential for muscle contraction and relaxation, making it important for overall muscle function and strength. Eye health. Adequate levels of B1 support eye health and may help reduce the risk of conditions like cataracts and glaucoma. Immune system support. Thiamine is involved in the production of immune cells and antibodies, helping to support a healthy immune response. Antioxidant activity. B1 acts as a cofactor for several antioxidant enzymes, helping to protect cells from oxidative stress and damage. Mood regulation. Adequate levels of B1 are important for maintaining stable mood and may help reduce the risk of depression and anxiety. Skin health. B1 supports skin health by promoting collagen production and may help reduce the risk of skin conditions like dermatitis. Healthy pregnancy. Adequate intake of B1 is crucial during pregnancy for fetal development and may help reduce the risk of birth defects. What happens when you have a B1 deficiency? Unfortunately, vitamin B1 deficiency is not uncommon, especially in individuals with poor dietary habits or certain medical conditions. Signs and symptoms of thiamine deficiency may include fatigue, weakness, nerve damage, and cardiovascular issues. If left untreated, severe deficiency can lead to a condition known as Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome, characterized by neurological impairment and cognitive deficits, loop confusion, vision changes, and memory problems. Here are some additional effects of B1 deficiency. Beriberi. Perhaps the most well-known effect of severe thiamine deficiency, leading to symptoms like weakness, fatigue, nerve damage, and heart problems. Neurological symptoms. Thiamine deficiency can cause neurological issues like confusion, memory loss, difficulty in walking, and tingling sensations in hands and feet. Muscle weakness. Insufficient thiamine can lead to muscle weakness and loss of muscle tone. Cardiovascular issues. Thiamine deficiency can affect the heart, leading to conditions like enlarged heart known as cardiomegaly and heart failure. Impaired digestion. B1 deficiency can cause digestive problems such as constipation, loss of appetite, and indigestion. Mental health. Some research suggests a potential link between thiamine deficiency and mood disorders like depression and anxiety. Metabolic issues. Thiamine is crucial for carbohydrate metabolism, and its deficiency can impair energy production in cells. Decreased energy levels. Inadequate levels of thiamine may result in fatigue and decreased energy levels. Vision problems. Thiamine deficiency might contribute to vision disturbances and even vision loss in severe cases. Poor reflexes. Reduced thiamine levels can affect reflexes, leading to slower reaction times. Unhealthy weight loss. B1 deficiency can sometimes lead to unexplained weight loss due to its impact on metabolism. Increased susceptibility to infections. Thiamine deficiency may weaken the immune system, making individuals more prone to infections. Dermatological symptoms. In severe cases, thiamine deficiency can cause skin problems like dry, scaly skin or even cracks at the corners of the mouth. Causes of B1 deficiency. Several factors can contribute to vitamin B1 deficiency, including inadequate dietary intake, carbohydrate intake, chronic alcohol consumption, gastrointestinal disorders, and certain medications. Identifying and addressing the underlying cause of deficiency is essential for restoring thiamine levels and preventing long-term complications. Treatment for B1 deficiency. Treatment for vitamin B1 deficiency typically involves thiamine supplementation, either orally or intravenously, depending on the severity of the deficiency. In addition to supplementation, addressing dietary and lifestyle factors that may contribute to deficiency is crucial for long-term management and prevention of recurrence. Side effects of B1 supplementation. While vitamin B1 supplementation is generally safe for most individuals, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects, especially at higher doses. Common side effects may include nausea, vomiting, and allergic reactions. As always, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, as we conclude our exploration of vitamin B1 and its role in preventing fat storage before consuming carbohydrates, it's evident that this essential nutrient plays a vital role in supporting metabolic health and overall well-being. By understanding the physiology behind fat storage and the specific benefits of vitamin B1, you can take proactive steps to optimize your dietary choices and promote a healthier body composition. The power of vitamin B1 is overwhelming. Also known as thiamine, is a key player in carbohydrate metabolism, ensuring efficient energy production and utilization within the body. By enhancing ATP production and preventing the conversion of excess glucose into fat, thiamine helps support healthy weight management and metabolic function. Whether through dietary sources or supplementation, ensuring an adequate intake of vitamin B1 is essential for maintaining optimal health and vitality. Incorporating B1-rich foods like legumes, nuts, seeds, and lean meats into your meals can help meet your daily thiamine needs and support metabolic health. It's crucial to be aware of the signs and symptoms of vitamin B1 deficiency, including fatigue, weakness, nerve damage, and cardiovascular issues. If you experience any of these symptoms, consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate course of action and address any underlying deficiencies. While vitamin B1 supplementation can be beneficial for individuals with specific dietary needs or medical conditions, it's essential to prioritize a balanced approach to nutrition. A well-rounded diet rich in a variety of nutrients, including vitamin B1, is key to supporting overall health and well-being. Remember, knowledge is potential power when it comes to your health. The real power is in applying this new knowledge that you have acquired today. By understanding the role of nutrients like vitamin B1 in your body and making informed choices about your diet and supplementation regimen, you can take control of your health and empower yourself to live a healthier, happier life. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even better content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.